Brandon here with BoogeyLights. Today we have a custom multicolor installation on a 2005 Holiday Rambler Endeavor. This is a 40-foot motorhome and it does have a grand total of 57 feet of Boogey lights. For the awning top, it has 12.5-foot LED strip. Underneath the slide out, it has a 12.5-foot LED strip. And then underneath the motor coach itself, it's a total of 16 feet per side. For the awning and the slide out, they are both operated off of one controller module. Each one has its own individual power lead, which is routed into the slide out itself. This is running underneath the kitchen cabinetry. It's actually underneath the sink. Go with a 110 power converter to 12 volt. All of our lights are operated via 12 volts, so the 110 gives you a little better option if you can't access 12 volt directly. As for the Underglow itself, that has the two independent strips. Both have their own individual power leads, which are run over to this side of the motorhome. It's actually in the first bay here, going directly to 12 volts. On the left-hand side there, that is our heavy-duty module that is capable of running up to 96 feet of LEDs. It is operated via handheld RF remote, as well as Bluetooth operation. You'll see the labels on the back for each individual module. For the slide out as well, it does have two push buttons inside, which allow you to turn off either the slide out topper or the underslide lighting, which makes it nice to customize at night. If you want to take a look down the side here, it is the exact same as the other side. As far as the lighting is concerned, we'll jump down into the pit real quick and give you a better view of how we actually ran the wiring. We'll start in the rear here. Now all of these strips are mounted first onto an aluminum flat stock. That is used because, as you can see, some of the surface is not the best for using 3M VHB tape and 3M primer, which is the backing for our LED strips themselves and the chemical adhesion promoter that we use. On the right hand side, that is a full 14-foot strip there. The one directly right in front of you here, and then up in the front it has a 2-foot LED strip. We ran that perpendicular to the vehicle to give it a little bit more depth, and I think brightness wise it looks a little bit better outside. Each individual power lead, as you'll see here and follow, is a 20 gauge 4 conductor wire for multicolor. We have 3 hot wires and 1 ground wire. You'll follow it all the way along the top here, up into our first bay on the driver's side. If you notice our grommet there with all the wires going inside, coming out of that is what is known as our long-range antenna. That is right here. That is actually giving this RF signal up to 100 feet away from the motorhome itself. Greatly increases the range of the RF signal, which allows you to control them from a greater distance. The Bluetooth low energy is typically 20-25 feet away maximum, but all this was done in-house here at BoogeyLights. We're in Florence, Kentucky. Give us a call and get lit up today.